Well, hey, if you're a business owner and you need great accounting, bookkeeping, and tax, and you want proactive tax planning, we are Mercer Flanagan. I'm Rob on the marketing team. I'm here with Roy and Michelle, his wife. Roy, you're a CPA. You have 4 CPAs. You took over a firm that's been around since the 1970s. Why don't you help us understand a little bit about where you are and who you guys are as a firm?
Yeah, Mercer Flanagan has been around since 1971. Started by Ted Mercer, became Mercer Flanagan. We took this over a couple of years ago from Flanagan, and we're here to continue to serve Frederick County and its small business owners and individuals with their tax and accounting needs.
And who else do we have here?
Yeah, I'm Michelle Cogliandolo. I am the office manager here at Mercer Flanagan.
Now, you got a team of 4 CPAs, like 20 to 30 years worth of experience. And I think what I've learned that I love about what we're doing here is we don't just help people with their bookkeeping, their tax returns, and running payroll, but you guys are running it a little bit deeper. There's kind of 3 big takeaways that I've seen. So if you're listening to this, number 1, you guys provide proactive, aggressive, wise tax reduction planning. And a lot of business owners, so a lot of this, you can see it on our website. You know, you have everything from should you be an S Corp or just stay a Schedule C? When you are an S Corp, are you managing your QBI and then your Social Security taxes, that salary and distribution thing? Then you got retirement plans. You can do things like hire your kids. But what I love that you guys do, because you're a CPA caliber, you're not just some accountant or some bookkeeper, you guys are a team of CPAs. You're able to come in, upgrade their accounting to be a 10 out of 10, and then really help them take the cash in their business to deploy it in the most tax efficient way. So what I mean by that, towards quarter 4, you look in your bank account, you've got all this money, you have a choice. You either just take it on the chin, you pay out bonuses in a tax efficient way, or maybe retirement plan contributions, or maybe it's time to address your old pickup truck fleet. Maybe it's time to buy new machinery, skid steers. Maybe it's time to upgrade some different things. Maybe it's time to pay off some debt. And what Mercer Flanagan does is really look at the entire picture, because they'll serve as tax planner, they'll do the tax returns, they'll do the bookkeeping and accounting, but they'll also make sure that you're making wise decisions to lower your taxes, to scale and grow your business. And if you're looking for somebody to come along as a partner and not be super expensive. I mean, we help small businesses for a couple $100 a month. We have some really large businesses we help for, $2,500, $5,500 a month, depending on what you're doing. But we will come in and you don't have to waste staff time doing this stuff. And you can get financial leadership where Roy and his team will come in and help make sure that you're scaling and growing. I mean, what would you add to that, Roy, as people are listening to this?
Most business owners enjoy what they do. They like sales. They like serving their clients. I can't think of many that love doing accounting. So what we can do for you is, you could outsource it to us. A lot of them probably are at a level where they can't handle it themselves, but they can't afford to hire a full-time CFO or controller or CPA on their staff. So what makes sense is to outsource it. Let us be your part-time CFO, controller, bookkeeper, and we can help you navigate the tax code to the best of your advantages and manage your cash flow. Our favorite time of the year is at the end of the year, December, when we can do some tax planning for you. And that's when we'll look at your financials year to date and see if it makes sense to contribute to a SEP, a 401k, solo 401k. Section 179 will save you some money. With the bonus depreciation, there's a lot of things you could do to save money, and some people are not aware of it, and that's why we're here.
Yeah. And so we kind of have a challenge for you. If you like the idea of doing that, you can come into our office. Where's your office located again?
We're here in Frederick, in the city of Frederick, at 1509 Homestead Avenue. Same location since 1971.
So we like to get added to your accounting to look at your bookkeeping, kind of assess that. You can just add us into your QuickBooks. We'll take a look. Is it a 10 out of 10? Is it a 5 out of 10 or a 2 out of 10? How's the caliber and quality of the accounting? And then we'd love to have you send over your tax returns. And what we'll do is we'll analyze it and try and find missing pieces that you haven't been using to lower your taxes. That's our challenge. You can come into the office after we do that or come in, and we'd love to sit down with you and find ways to improve your business. So if you're not confident that you're doing everything possible to lower your taxes, if you don't have super competent accountants and financial employees, or maybe you just want your team to focus on getting paid quicker, or running and following up with customers and getting more reviews, or leading and managing your process and stuff, rather than this stuff, book a consultation. We'd love to help you. Roy and Michelle, thank you so much. Folks, we'd love to help you. Just book a consultation and you can come on into the office.